You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. For more pronunciations of medical terms, make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Let's get through how to say it correctly. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. Diastolic, di-a-sto-lic. The stress is on the third syllable, the sto syllable. How to pronounce? Listen carefully. Diastolic, diastolic pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.